In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your After Effects preferences to their default settings. If you've been experiencing issues with After Effects or just want to start fresh, resetting your preferences can often solve a range of problems or give you a clean slate to work from. It's a straightforward process, but it requires a bit of coordination with your keyboard when launching the program. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, make sure that After Effects is completely closed. If you have it running or if it's minimized on your screen, you'll need to quit the application entirely. This is crucial because we need to launch the program right from the beginning to trigger the preferences reset. Now, here's where the main action takes place, so pay close attention. You will need to hold down a specific combination of keys on your keyboard while starting up After Effects. For Windows users, those keys are Ctrl, Alt, and Shift. Go ahead and locate those keys so you're ready to press them all simultaneously. Once you're ready, press and hold Ctrl, Alt, and Shift, and while keeping those keys pressed down, launch After Effects. This is a bit like a secret handshake for the program, so make sure you're pressing all three keys at the same time while initiating the launch. If you're wondering why we're doing this, it's because this combination is designed to prompt a special dialog box, rather than launching the program as usual. Now, with After Effects launching, you should see a dialog box appear on your screen. This box will ask if you want to delete your preferences. This might seem like a big step, but remember, this is exactly what we're trying to do to reset everything back to its original state. Confirm that you want to delete the preferences by clicking on the appropriate button, usually labeled OK or Yes. At this point, you've completed the technical reset procedure. Once you've confirmed, After Effects will continue to open, and you'll notice that it starts with its default preferences loaded. This means all those personalized settings or adjustments you might have made will no longer be there, and the application will behave as if you're opening it for the first time, a completely clean slate. This can be immensely helpful if you're troubleshooting or if any customizations were causing unexpected behavior. And just like that, you should now have After Effects running with its default settings. If something doesn't seem right, try repeating the process to ensure all steps were followed correctly. Resetting preferences is a powerful tool to have in your After Effects toolkit and can be a lifesaver in times when settings start to act up. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial clear and easy to follow. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.